doing my vlog. So it's 6 o'clock in the morning. I've been up since 5 a.m. and we have to leave at 6:30. My last day in England. I want to wear my hair like this, but it's not gonna work. I just know that by the time I get there, it's gonna be a different story. So much to do. Driver's coming in half an hour. I'm freaking out. Anyway, I was excited to go. My cousin's there looking at me like I'm weird. This is why I get shy when I have to film. Anyway, we're almost there. And it's a little bit of... Don't start on mine, yeah? Really? I'm not surprised.
There's no bin there. Why didn't I stay?
Oh no. That doesn't make sense.
Better. Have you seen Zambia yet or anything? Yeah, but even afterwards.
I woke up to this beautiful view this morning and I feel so grateful. I just had to close my eyes just for a minute and just thank God that I arrived here safely. It's so beautiful, it's warm, the breeze on my cheeks, the pool, the beautiful trees, it's amazing. And I'm so grateful to be here. One thing I will say, when you arrive in a country that is unfamiliar territory, arrive in the daytime, it's so much better in the day. When you arrive at night, which I did, everything is just so scary. So I was really excited on this day. It was the first time I was traveling alone in a little while and I couldn't wait to experience Nairobi, so I was really excited. My flight was at 12:20 and I was going via Lilongwe. My flight was £181.90 one way. Because I got paid on this day, so this is the day I wanted to book my hotel. So that's what I was doing at this very moment. It seems so crazy that I'm still packing on the day of my flight, but look, I take 3 weeks to pack when I'm going away for a lengthy time, and I just cannot decide what to pack, what to put, and I take so many things out over and over again. Guaranteed the day I'm leaving, I'm still doing a last few minute bits, but it's not that deep. Still got a few things to just sort out, but I am way ahead of schedule, so please don't stress. It's currently 9:40 a.m. and my flight at 12:20. I haven't even booked my taxi yet because I hate waiting at airports. But let's see. I'm excited. I'm so excited. This is my second solo trip and I'm really, really, really excited about what's gonna come of it, you know? I've booked to stay at the Pride in Azuri, I don't know what you call it, in Nairobi, in Westlands. Prices weren't too bad. I took like 5 hours to decide what hotel to go for. I was stuck between Nairobi Serena Hotel, another one was called what's the name of it again? I can't remember. There were so many options and I just didn't know what to choose, but I thought let me just go for this one because it's kind of in the middle of quiet, a bit of luxury, a bit of ambience. That power bank thing is so annoying. So I couldn't decide. Then I was gonna book 2 hotels. I'm like, Janine, what are you doing? No. You need to go to one place and just relax and chill. Had a bit of drama, a little bit of drama, and I just want to just relax and chill and not have to jump from hotel to hotel. I haven't booked my accommodation yet. I am an organized person, but I'm a last minute person as well. So when I get there, I'll book my accommodation on the Saturday in Kenya, and that will be accommodation for a month. I'm gonna go for something like affordable, like medium range, affordable, not too luxury because I want to explore. And you know, budgets at the moment a little bit tight. Yeah, people think I'm crazy, but I just like if I had no little money left, I'll spend it on travel. That's just me. This thing is annoying. Okay, I'm gonna go. Let's go. One thing I don't like about Younger is they always have to call and check if the location's accurate, ask where you are, where you're going, and sometimes you're in a rush and you lose that last minute to kind of get things together, but you have to take a phone call. Like that. He's gonna be here in 1 minute, so I need to quickly hurry up. I'm a last minute person. I don't know why I'm like this. I need to really change my life. Wait, why am I doing this to myself? Hello. It's not working? Oh. The gate key is not working, so I can't get out. Oh my god. Am I gonna miss this place? I don't know. Just make sure I've got everything. It has been nice staying here. It has been really nice. Yeah, it's been cozy. I've been bitten a few times, which is annoying. But the lady's out here waiting for me, and I've told her to come on. Hi, so it's open. I'm sorry, I'm there. I'm going now. So thank you so much for everything. Okay, be good. Take care. Bye. Hi. No, no dogs, don't worry. Thank you. The battery's gone. Ah, okay. Alright. Thank you, okay? Take care. Should I put this one inside? Or you can go in the back?
Yeah, all of them, they'll
Okay, okay. Okay, thanks a lot. Thank you. Oh my god, so we took too long to leave the gate and then he hit the gate because the gate closes automatically, and so we just had a bit of an accident. Oh my gosh. Can you hear the banging? Oh no. This is so crazy on this time. What's going on? Why do these things happen when you're rushing? I hope it's okay. Ooh. really wanted to come about 11 o'clock, but I don't know. Like, get there 2 hours before your flight. I don't like waiting at airports. So the check-in counter is not open till 11. It's now 10:40, so I've got to wait about 20 minutes. The airport is so tiny. My cousin flew to Kenya the other day and she said that she was through security within 10 minutes and just waiting. So I have a bit of a wait, but it's fine. Such a tiny airport. It's so small for departure. So tiny.
South African Airways, flight 063 to Johannesburg. A further ticket call for South African Airways, flight 063 to Johannesburg. Passengers still holding tickets for this flight.
It's right now, so I really need to go.
Have they said? Have they announced yet?
If I lose my flight, does she have space in her house?
No problem.
I don't want to hear my name announced. That's embarrassing.
Yeah, definitely for real. That's embarrassing.
For those of you familiar with the area, a few minutes before landing, our esteemed passengers
I'm quite surprised at how much food I got on this flight, even though it was only 2 hours and 15 minutes. So just to give you a little bit of context about the whole flight, there was a short 35-minute stop in Harare, Zimbabwe, where I stayed on a plane. And then the layover in Lilongwe, Malawi, I hope I'm saying these names right. I'm so sorry if I've gotten them wrong. Was an hour and 45 minutes only. It was a very short wait. And then, as I said, it's a short flight from here to Nairobi. A tip to save on flights is to do layovers. I have never done a long layover more than 3 hours ever, unless I'm visiting the country. But it really helps to save money if you're on a budget to do layovers. And you can find layovers that are not too short. And to me, I mean, I just love the journey anyway, so I don't mind. Uber driver was a very lovely, professional and polite young lady. The journey from the airport was pretty short, about 35 to 40 minutes to the hotel. And here's a quick tour of my room at the Pride Azure. I don't know how to say it again. I booked the deluxe room, the deluxe king room for 2 nights, and it included breakfast, and that cost £165 and 2 pence. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and thank you to all my subscribers for supporting my channel and encouraging my journey. It means more than you know, and it's because of you that I keep going. See you on Friday.